Okay. Alright, you need to stop with the voices. Motherfucker, you about to get ass clapped if you even think about it. What the fuck? Who just shit themselves? Someone just took a shit on themselves. Someone just shitted themselves. Someone needs to go to the bathroom and check. Oh my god. Someone just had a case of diarrhea. I'm done. I'm done right now. Where's what the hell? King Nappy. Oh my, he brought the world's most cancerous Pokemon. Hey, Punisher. Hey, Punisher. I'm gonna be nice and let you live. Don't knock me off right now. Don't let me regret being nice to your Pokemon. Bro, that was unacceptable. Like I'm gonna post that on YouTube and be like, someone shitted themselves in the beginning. I know. I just need to like rehear that. It's gonna be Nami. Nami. Oh my god. Specs. That has to be Specs. I'm not out for revenge. Everybody gets one. No! Oh crap! I freaking hit Will-O-Wisp again instead of freaking Metronome. Crap. I hit fast. Damn it. No, I'm serious. I hit fast. Oh shit, he brought the Aega Slash of power. I told you. I like fucked up. I meant to Metronome. Like I literally wanted to Metronome. Like that's the play I wanted to make. But I couldn't. Can you Shadow Sneak the thingamajig? Shadow Sneak won't work, son. It's part normal. You retard. I'll say nice and neutral here. Mel, don't go for me. You're fine. I'm not going for you, monkey boy. And there we go. You're fine, Mel. You're fine. Yeah. I'm part normal type too. Yeah, monkey. Like, come on now. He should know better. Melvin's whipping up them tits back. He doesn't need a crit. Okay, a high damage roll. I'll take. Wow, Mel. You Shadow Sneak the mini Hulk. Wow, Mel, I trusted you. You're at 1 HP. I'm just putting you out of your misery. You're at 1 HP. Don't be mad at me. Don't put me out of my misery, though. I'm sorry. Hey, look, at least I didn't Will-O-Wisp you. You should be happy. Oh my god. I remember that piece of crap. At least it can't get Everlight. This is like the first time I'm ever using Seizure Dagger, right? No, you used it in XY. You used it in XY. Well, you got Dark Bolt. Oh my god, yes. Alright. Punisher, don't hit me. Alright, Punisher is so sad right now. I'm just like battling. I'm just trying to function. Look at that Kangas dog.
Mel, if you burn me and not the age slash, you're not using common sense.
No, you're calling him stupid.
No, I'm just saying he doesn't use common sense at times.
Hello? Well, that's mean.
I said at times.
Did
you sacred sword me?
I attacked you, Mel.
Did you really? Oh my god, that does so much damage.
Try to attack me or something like that.
Because I knew you were gonna try to attack me. I'm not dumb.
What about Taters is gonna king shit?
Oh no, I missed the Will-O-Wisp. I missed the Will-O-Wisp. Oh no.
Taters is gonna king shit this card, so
Well, I'm obviously gonna get attacked, so no point even trying to fucking excuse my way out of this.
Taters is gonna king shield. He's gonna king shield.
Well, there's no point, because there's no point in me, like, talking and saying what should I go for, because obviously I'm gonna get attacked. No point in you talking. I'm gonna fucking burn me, you're gonna fucking hit me.
I don't even know what to go for here.
I don't even know what to
You're gonna
do.
click king shit. I already know it.
That's not always true. You could just shadow sneak fast.
No, he always clicks king shit.
Why would I shadow sneak?
Why do you sound like you're about to cry now? What the fuck? He Punisher sounds like he's about to bust out in tears. Like, what the fuck? He's like, guys, no.
Yo, Punisher, you sound sick, right?
Yeah, I am. I'm sick.
He's like, guys, no.
Don't click their move.
I've been clicked.
I clicked my
Melvin, wait me, Melvin.
What the fuck? Get the hell out of here.
Yeah, you fell for it.
Oh, shit. I attacked Taters with close combat. I was trying to stay nice and neutral and,
Good job, Punisher. Man of the year right here. Prediction.
Damn. Punisher just got bopped.
I should have attacked. I should have attacked him.
I thought you were gonna
I was expecting Fast to knock me off. What the hell? That's why I'm...
No. I expected everyone to attack me because everyone's just like, Fast is a big ass wrist, so we know he has multiple...
Work up! Work? What the hell? Technician! Oh my god. This is...
I mean, it doesn't really matter. They got Technician because I'm not going for a Technician boost move. Is that gonna kill him?
Oh, why did you go for Fast? What the hell, Taters?
No, you're a 3. Come on, you have a Nancy boy. What are you kidding me about?
I'm gonna die soon, and you're gonna use explosion. Hello, you're gonna use explosion, and Nancy Boy's gonna die. I have to protect my pokes in the back.
Using explosion would be his worst possible move.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I die. Like, what are y'all upset about? Work up! What am I in offense? I didn't go for you! That was Punisher. I just willowed.
You went for me with a shadow sneak, Melvin.
Now only Punisher's only gonna go for me the rest of this dang battle. Oh my god.
Yeah, good luck with that.
I don't care anymore. I'm just gonna explode.
No, you're not.
Bet. Next turn I'm explode.
You're not exploding, monkey boy.
Bet.
Don't explode. Is what I'm trying to. You did, and he left. Okay.
Hello? Who has that number?
Fast left.
I don't care.
Mel is mad. Yeah, I like that Mel tickles.
What did he say?
Fast. I don't care. Alright.
Well, who would you say, Mel? What was your last Pokemon?
My last poke was Kenny the Shark.
Oh,
I imagine Punisher would have exploded, so I think you would have won.
yeah, I have Banded with yeah.
Okay, you need to stop. Anyway, we're ending this here. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see y'all later next time.